Michelle here with StrawBearie, and yesterday I went to Walmart and I got some after Christmas clearance items, and I thought I'd just jump up here real quick and show you some of the things I got for my Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes. I scored with stuffed animals. So, in my alpaca room, that's we're in right now. This is my shoebox room. I'm going to be putting all of my stuffed animals on display until I actually pack them. Let me see what I have, what's available. It makes the room cute. This room also doubles as a guest room. And yesterday I went shopping with my sister who was visiting, and she was staying in this room. And when we came back home, I just dumped all the bags from Walmart on her bed as she drove home to leave. So the bed wasn't made, sorry about that, but so far all of the little stuffies that you have seen, oops, were about $2. Some were like $1.98, some were $2.06, some were $1.94. I love like this type of one where it doesn't look Christmassy at all, but it did have the Christmas tag, so it was 50% off. And then there's others that do look a little Christmassy. They've got the Christmas gear on, but they're still so cute. Oh my goodness, he's a beaver. Look at his little teeth. Oh my goodness, how cute. And so putting all of them up, I only bought two that were more than $2, but they are these big old wow items. Oh, this one rattles. And aren't they adorable? These will be great in a 2 to 4 year old box as the wow gift. Last year, I decided not to set a goal as to how many shoe boxes I would pack. And I ended up packing more than I had the year before anyway. And I wasn't really like, oh, I have to have this many of this and this many of this, and shopping with a purpose in mind. What I really did is I just said, God, show me what you want me to get. Show me where the sales are, and when I'm there, that's what I'll get, and that's what I'll buy. And so that's what I did. And like I said, I ended up packing more shoe boxes than I did even the year before. Oh, this one's all pink. So when I was scanning, like I scanned one of the Unicorn Pegasus and I went, score! And I grabbed all of them and threw them in my cart. So yeah, it was pretty fun. I also got some bowls. I could have bought a lot more, but I ended up buying 8 of each color. They were 25 cents. So $2 per color for all of these bowls, and they came in green and blue and red. So that was a cool score. These have a gift card holder on them, but you can easily cut that off and take that off, and then you just have a cute stuffy. Here's another one that I found, a little like squishmallow. They had a lot more of these and I only got 2. They were $1.50, so they come with the Furby and the lip balm. And here's the Furby, and it's like, okay, it's like a lip balm holder. It's got like a square back there where that fits in perfectly, and then it's a keychain. So these were $1.50, and I did leave some at my Walmart. I did not buy all of them because I wasn't sure if I would like them or not, but that's what those are. I only went to my local Walmart, which honestly doesn't have the best clearance stuff, and a Walgreens. And the Walgreens, well, I bought for me. Didn't find anything else there. But I will tell you that last year at my local Walmart, I went back and every couple of days, and they put new stuff out in the Christmas clearance stuff. And I ended up getting a lot of stuffies actually at 70% off that weren't even available at 50% off. Or if they were somewhere in the store, they were hiding and I could not find them. So don't give up if you don't see anything today. Keep going back every couple of days to your stores and checking for those clearance items, and maybe you can score some awesome things for your shoeboxes this year. Thanks so much for watching. Toodles!